Welcome, Terrarians, to Terraria, the board game. A brand new world awaits, a blank canvas brimming with possibilities. Dig to excavate tunnels, mine resources, and find chests. Fight more than 30 enemy types. Explore procedurally generated biomes and build houses to unlock crafting stations in the official tabletop adaptation of the smash hit video game from Relogic. In this cooperative board game for 1 to 4 players, use streamlined deck building to explore a unique world each time you play. Find and craft dozens of powerful items. Customize your character with armor sets and buffs. And hunt down enemies for loot. But beware, there are worse things than slimes lurking in the depths. Back now and bring Terraria to your table.